My dear students, welcome back to my YouTube English channel, English with Malik Sir. In the previous segments, we have discussed about 36 units in connection with the verb series, which is meant for basic to advanced level of students. Why do we put more stress on verb? It is because verb is a leading and most important part of speech. Next to noun, it is the core, heart and soul of a sentence, without which neither a sentence nor a clause can be formed. Without verb, a sentence becomes meaningless. Verb is also used as a link in between subject and a predicate part. Okay. Again, verb is also used to indicate tense and time. Therefore, it is proved that verb is the leading and most important and the heart and soul of English grammar as well as language and literature. In today's segment, I am going to conduct another test to comprehend or understand your level of understanding. Okay, and it is also helpful for your academic and competitive examinations as well as your day-to-day speaking and writing. Therefore, take interest in these tests and try to assess your level of understanding. Okay, this is the fifth test. It means I have already conducted 4 tests on verb series in connection with the usage of verbs. After teaching 37 units on verb series, I am going to test your understanding through the 5th test on usage of verbs. There are 15 questions. You have to answer the questions as per the instructions given in the brackets. I will give you the correct answers with the suitable explanations just at the end of the test, not at the end of each question. Let's start reading and understanding the questions and the instructions given in the brackets. Okay. The first question: the sky appears blue. The instruction is here. Indicate whether the underlined verb is stative or action verb. Yes, we have discussed about the differentiation in between the stative verbs and the action verbs, and therefore it is your turn to decide whether appears is stative or action verb. The question number 2. Mathematics is blank taught at present. Here the instruction is fill in the blank using be verb as an auxiliary verb. Question number 3. She behaves as politely as her mother blank. Use a verb not to repeat the main verb to express comparison. Point 4. Who did start first in your class? It is a wrong question, okay, and it is your duty to correct the error. The question number 5. You are advised not to waste time. This is a statement sentence. Rewrite using do at the beginning. Now come to question number 6. I support your proposal. Make the sentence more emphatic. This is the instruction. The question number 7. Pratik won the match, but I blank. Fill in the blank without repeating the main verb. Number 8. He enjoys tennis and so did I. The instruction is here. Correct the error. It means the sentence is wrong one and there is one error and you have to correct it. Question number 9. She could have lent you money if you have requested her. Correct the error. This is a wrong sentence and there is one error and you have to correct it. Come to question number 10. I'm sorry, I can't attend the party tomorrow. Rewrite using be able to. Question number 11. 1. Blank. Drive fast in a crowded street. Fill in the blank using needn't, daren't or mustn't. It means you have three alternatives and it is your duty to choose the suitable alternative and fill in the blank. Question number 12. In no way I am responsible for such a mistake. The instruction is correct the error. Number 13. She uses to tell lies. Correct the error. Question number 14. It blank. Rain tonight. So instruction is here. Use a modal expressing moderate or less possibility of raining in future. You have to use a suitable modal out of 13 modals and fill in the blank. The last question is here. The firefighters could save the life of the child entering into the burning house. Okay, rewrite the sentence using be able to. My dear students, these are the 15 questions and it is your duty to understand the questions and the instructions and just try to guess the meaning of these questions. Now it is my turn to answer each and every question with suitable explanations. Question number 1. The sky appears blue. Instruction: indicate whether the underlined verb is a stative or action verb. We know that a stative verb indicates a state or condition of the subject and action verb indicates any action. Here we find the sky appears blue. Here appears is the stative verb. It is because blue is the adjective of color and it refers to condition or the state of the sky, which is the subject, and blue is the complement. Okay, next. Number 2. Mathematics is blank taught at present. Fill in the blank using be as an auxiliary verb. We have already discussed that a be verb has 5 verbs. 1. Bare infinitive, that is be, and to infinitive to be. Okay, in simple present is, am, are. In simple past was, were. In past participle been, and in present participle being is the be verb forms. As this sentence is in passive voice, the correct answer is being. Mathematics is being taught at present. Remember, here is the auxiliary verb. Being is also auxiliary verb and taught is the past participle verb. Question number 3. She behaves as politely as her mother, and the instruction is use a verb not to repeat the main verb to express comparison. It is a matter of comparison because we have used as plus adverb plus as in order to compare. She behaves here. Behaves is in simple present tense. Therefore, we have to use here she behaves as politely as her mother does. In this way, using does, we have not repeated the verb behave. Okay. Question number 4. Who did stand first in your class? Correct the error. Generally, in question sentence of simple past, we use WH word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus other words. The rule is here: whenever the subject is who, which, what, then definitely auxiliary verb did is not used in the introductory sentence of simple past. Then the correct answer is who stood first in your class. Okay, who invented television? We cannot Say, who did invent television? Question number 5. You are advised not to waste time. This is a statement sentence. Whenever we want to convert it in a imperative sentence using do at the beginning, then we have to write don't waste time. Meanings of both the sentences are the same. Question number 6. I support your proposal. Make the sentence more emphatic. We have already discussed that by using auxiliary verb do before the main verb, we can strengthen or I will express a sentence emphatically by making the main verb strong. So the answer is I do support your proposal. Means I strongly support your proposal. This is the way we can express the sentence emphatically. Question number 7. Pratik won the match, but I blank. Fill in the blank without repeating the main part. Okay? Remember, won is in simple past, and therefore, once again, Pratik won the match, but I didn't. It means Pratik won the match, but I didn't win the match. Without using win the match, we can say in short, I didn't. It means I didn't win the match. Question number 8. He enjoys tennis and so did I. Correct the error. So plus auxiliary verb plus subject. This is inversion. As enjoys is in simple present, we have to write so do I. This is the answer. It means he enjoys tennis and I also enjoy tennis. Okay. Question number 9. She could have lent you money if you have requested her. Instruction is correct the error. Here have is the wrong answer. The right answer is had, because we have discussed that if we regret for any past happening, in that case we use past perfect in if clause, and in the main clause either should or would or could or might or must plus have plus past participle. This is the structure, and hence as she could have lent you money if you had requested her. It means you didn't request her. As a result, she couldn't lend you money. Now come to question number 10. I'm sorry, I can't attend the party tomorrow. Rewrite using be able to. Remember, we should always remember be able to means is, am, are. Able to plus infinitive, or if it is in past tense then was or were able to. Okay, and here as tomorrow is also future time, I won't be able to attend the party tomorrow. Okay, yes. Question number 11. 1 blank. Drive fast in a crowded street. Fill in the blank using needn't or daren't or mustn't. The needn't is used whenever there is no necessity of doing anything more. Whenever we shouldn't challenge to do anything, in that case we use daren't. But mustn't is used whenever we object or prohibit someone not to do something which is very harmful or dangerous. This sentence indicates the idea about dangerous consequences or result. Okay, therefore one mustn't drive fast in a crowded street because there is every possibility of accident and losing life. Therefore, from the point of view of road safety, we prohibit someone not to drive fast in a crowded street. Okay, hence mustn't is the correct answer. Question number 12. In no way I am responsible for such a mistake. Instruction is correct the error. In no way is a negative phrase. Whenever a negative phrase or word is used at the beginning, definitely inversion happens. The right answer is in no way. Negative adverb phrase plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus other words. In no way am I responsible for such a mistake. Here, in order to put emphasis on in no way, we have used at the beginning. This is the idea, and in such case, we have to follow inversion. Negative adverb plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus other words. Okay, next come question number 13. She uses to tell lies. You have to correct the error. Uses to is not used to express the present habit of a person. Used to is used to express the past regular habit of a person. Use or uses to is not used to in the case of present simple to express present habit of a person. That's why it is wrong. In this case, we have to use she usually tells lies or she habitually tells lies. Question number 14. It blank rain tonight. Use a modal expressing moderate or less possibility of raining in future. We have discussed that there are three ways of possibilities. One, may is used to express more possibility of action. Okay, but might is used for less possibility of action or moderate possibility of action, but could is used for least possibility of action. Therefore, as we have to use moderate or less possibility, therefore the correct answer is it might rain tonight. It means there is less possibility of raining tonight. That is last question. Firefighters could save the life of the child entering into the burning house. Burning house means the house which was burning or which was on fire. Here instruction is rewrite the sentence using be able to, as it is in past tense and firefighters the subject is in plural form, and that's why in the place of could we have to use were able to. Therefore the firefighters were able to save the life of the child entering into the burning house. My dear students, go through the video from the beginning to the end very sincerely. Take down the key ideas and remember, so that you can avail the facilities or the charm of learning and applying in your classroom examinations, your competitive examinations, and side by side day to day speaking and writing comfortably. Thank you for being with me. Hope you must have enjoyed this class. See you in the next segment with another exam on the usage of verbs. Till then, goodbye.